A check engine light isn't just a bulb. In Hyundai systems, it's a monitored control circuit. When that circuit misbehaves, the computer can store P0650, even if the car feels normal. Symptoms can look simple. The light doesn't illuminate at key on, flickers, or fails inspection readiness. But the real risk is losing trustworthy warning feedback across controllers sharing status over the network. Here's the intended anatomy. The ECM decides the MIL state, commands it, and expects an electrical response. That supervised loop includes wiring, connector pin fit, shared grounds, and the cluster's internal driver electronics. Other modules can influence warning strategy through messaging, even when they don't physically power the lamp. P0650 is usually one of 4 electrical stories: open circuit, short to ground, short to power, or high resistance. After collision repairs or rebuilds, common triggers include pinched harnesses, misseated connectors, and damaged ground splices. Even a tiny intermittent interruption can be enough, because the ECM monitors the circuit in very small time windows. So the light can look fine during a quick glance, yet the module still logs a malfunction.
Professionals start by confirming P0650, capturing the operating snapshot, and checking overall readiness and related stored faults.
Next, they command the MIL on and off, and watch whether the circuit's electrical behavior matches the command. Because continuity alone can mislead, they load test the circuit and measure voltage drop across connectors, wires, and grounds. To catch brief intermittence, they use controlled wiggle checks and watch for momentary dropouts that repeat. Then they isolate the path. Is the fault in the cluster driver, the ECM output stage, or the harness between them? Analyzing the automotive digital twin, we observe chassis control and actuator elements sharing a pathway. If this repair logic is root cause dependent, restore proper references, correct pin tension, and verify outputs under real load before replacing modules. Finally, validate. Key on lamp check, stable response to commands, and codes that stay cleared through a complete drive cycle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cow for more content like this.